21 divided by 3, which equals 7. Here 14 divided by 2, which equals 7. Then 7 divided by 7 which equals to 1. Okay, but this answer is not correct, because if there is only one operation in the problem, or if there is more than one operation in the expression or in the problem, we need to do from left to right. Okay, so in this expression we have to do this division first, next this division, and finally this division. Okay, if we do this division or this division before this division, it is wrong. So we have to do this one first. Okay, then 21 divided by 3, which is 7. Then 7 divided by 14. Then divide by 2. Then here 7 divided by 14 means which equals 1 over 2. Okay, 1 over 2. Then 1 over 2 divided by 2. Then here we need to follow the KCF rule. Okay, KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Therefore, according to the KCF rule, we have to keep the first fraction here. We have to keep the first fraction 1 over 2. Then change this division into multiplication and flip the second number 1 over 2. Okay, then 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 means 1 times 1 equals 1. 2 times 2 which equals to 4. This is the final answer of this problem. Okay, therefore the correct answer of this problem is equals to 1 over 4.